Or left. Left, right? So, sa right yung injury niya. Ang gagawin mo yung apex. Nandito yung apex. Sa right. Kung able yung patient, pwede mo siyang patulungin, tapos pahawakin mo siya sa apex.
Okay. Again, when does we need, or when is the time that we need to perform chest bandage? Burns and for wounds, no? For example, there is a puncturing wound. There is a ball pen or a arrow sticking to the chest of the patient. So before you can before you can do the chest bandage, you should have a donut. Donut ring. So do you know how to make a donut already? No. Okay. So later we'll be making one. So chest muna. That is because donut is in narrow kabag.
But after nun, you have to fold upward the chest. Hanggang sa may diaphragm pala, sorry. Hanggang sa may diaphragm nung patient nyo. Ayan. And then after that, ituloy mo siya, patient mo. Mag-square knot ka doon sa may apex.
Okay. Square knot, okay? Clear?
So, right over left, left over right. After mo mag-square knot, dun ka na, yung longer, kasi diba dun ka nga nag-square knot sa side ng apex mo. So, yung longer part mo, yun yung may square knot mo ulit. Dito.
That is the end of the triangular bandage that will be used for the square knot. The next square knot.
Ayun.
Okay, so this is
ulit.
open bandage chest, no? This is for front of the chest. Okay, next, for back.